Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an inverter. So this is an inverter. So this casing is of an old stabilizer which was lying in my house. So inside it is a circuit which is given to an inverter. It is simple DIY inverter, and let's get into the video and see how it is made. To make an inverter we need this board. It is called an amplifier. It is a 12 volt amplifier which costs around 320 rupees. I will be putting the link of this in the description below. This is the circuit diagram of connecting the wire from the transformer to the amplifier board. I have bought a 2 ampere transformer. If it is possible, you can buy 5 ampere transformer. It will be giving a better performance. I will be putting the link of the transformer in the description below. Now connect the 3 wires which is coming from transformer. There will be 2 green wire and 1 red wire. Now we need 2 more wires to be connected, which is given to the battery. You can take a car battery or any battery which is 12 volt. After giving the connection, we can check with a LED bulb if it is working or not. After completing all the wiring, I have installed the circuit board inside the old stabilizer case. I have changed the amplifier to 5 ampere and connected to a socket from where we can take the power. I have taken a bike battery. It's a 12 volt bike battery. It is enough to power an LED bulb and mobile to charge for 2 days without electricity. So it is a good backup of power which we can create for our home, and I will show you how it charge a mobile. Just simply plug in to the socket. Voila, it is charging. Hope you like this video of making a small inverter. I will be putting the link of the products in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of making this simple DIY inverter. It is enough to light a bulb and charge your mobile phone. I think it might be useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the video which I upload first. Peace out.